Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to restore the lost or deleted notes in Notes in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open Notes and scroll down, and here you can see the option of recently deleted, and click on it, and you can restore any folder. Then simply tap and hold and click on move and select a folder you want to restore and click on folder, and your folder will be notes will be restored in your phone, and you can see here your notes will be restored. So this way to restore the lost or deleted notes in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. Thanks for watching this video.